Hi, this is Kezi from K Ranch, and we're getting ready to do our Bag Monster Challenge. And so I wanted to do a quick video first on lunging or sending your horse off safely, so that as you're doing things that might be scary for your horse, you have safety in mind. So quick couple lunging tips. I have my lunge line and my lunge whip, and my horse Dutch is helping us out today. First thing to think about is lunging is about pushing them and sending them. So pushing them and having a place for them to go and escape to. So I often think about it as a triangle. I'm a point of the triangle, and then her nose is a point of the triangle, and her tail is the other point. So there's 3 points. My lunge whip is one side that goes to her tail, and my hand goes to her nose with the rope. And the go sending end, to tell her to go somewhere, is my lunge whip hand towards her tail. And then she is allowed to go forward through the lunge line hand. And I'll demonstrate this. And then if you need to stop, you put pressure on the lunge line hand. So here, I'll show you real quick how to send off. So you step towards their tail and give them an open end here. So I push her and I have a place for her to escape. The main thing that you want to think about when you're allowing them to escape is to not let her turn her nose completely the opposite direction away from you. That is the main feature of safety, because once that happens, they're pretty strong and you'll be skiing across the arena, and we don't want that. So keep their nose where you can see the side of their face, and then pushing them from behind. So when you're doing objects, that's what you want to think about. You want to think about the scary object is here, and you should always know where they're allowed to escape if they panic, and nothing bad happens. They don't trample you or get stuck on anything. So you can see my triangle. Here's a point, tail, nose. This is send. This is stop. And then that has to do with when we pull in our bags and our other monsters, allowing you to think of those key features for safety. So that's your quick tip. Make sure you practice this without your scary objects first, so that you know how it works, how to send them, how to stop them, and predict where they're gonna go. And then you do it with your objects, and they will feel less pressured, there'll be less panicking, and it'll be safer. So stay tuned and watch out for our 10 bag monsters that will be presented in the next few weeks. Remember to send your horse's name every time that they slay one of the monsters and conquer the challenge, so that we can put it on our board, and then we can acknowledge you and all of your hard work as you build a better bond with your horse. So see you soon with the Bag Monster Challenge. And again, this is Kezi at K Ranch.